Tired of typing on tiny screens or carrying bulky keyboards? Meet the ultimate solution for on-the-go productivity, the folding keyboard Bluetooth with Touchpad. Ultra-thin, lightweight, and portable, it's the perfect companion for your mobile devices. Whether you're in a cafe, on a plane, or at a park, simply unfold and connect to transform any space into your mobile office. With its built-in touchpad, there's no need for a separate mouse. It's convenience at your fingertips. Ready to boost your efficiency wherever you are? Visit the link on your screen and grab your folding keyboard Bluetooth with Touchpad today. Click now and unfold the power of productivity. Are you ready to take your gaming to the next level? Introducing the mechanical keyboard. 104 keys full size, designed for gamers who demand the best. Featuring Thai and Russian blue switch shafts, this keyboard offers the tactile feedback and rapid response time you need to dominate in LoL, CF, PUBG, and more. With hot swappable keys and customizable RGB lighting, personalize your gaming setup to match your style. Durable, stylish, and built for intense gaming sessions, it's the ultimate tool for both casual and competitive gamers. Don't settle for less. Upgrade to the mechanical keyboard 104 keys full size and experience gaming like never before. Click now to unleash the full potential of your gaming prowess.